This is a straightforward software comparison. An AI voice guides the walkthrough. NinjaTrader pricing is built entirely around how active you are as a futures trader, and it immediately separates itself from traditional investing platforms. Instead of percentage-based fees or bundled account pricing, NinjaTrader focuses strictly on per-contract commissions and gives traders 3 distinct ways to pay. The free plan has no monthly subscription at all and charges 39 cents per side on micro contracts and $1.29 per side on standard contracts. This makes it accessible for beginners or occasional traders who want to learn futures trading without upfront costs, but the higher per contract commissions mean expenses rise quickly as trading frequency increases. For traders who are more active, the monthly plan costs $99 per month and reduces commissions to $0.29 per side on micro contracts and $0.99 per side on standard contracts. This structure benefits traders who execute regularly and want predictable savings as volume grows, allowing the subscription fee to be offset by lower execution costs over time. The most aggressive option is the lifetime plan, which requires a one-time payment of $1,499 and unlocks the lowest commission rates available on the platform at 0.09 per side for micro contracts and 0.59 per side for standard contracts. This plan is clearly designed for high-volume, long-term futures traders who expect to trade for years and want to minimize per-trade friction as much as possible. Across all plans, commissions are charged per side, meaning traders pay once to open and once to close a position. In addition, exchange, clearing, and regulatory fees still apply, which is standard across regulated futures markets and should always be factored into real trading costs when calculating profitability. NinjaTrader's feature set reflects its singular focus on active futures trading. The platform offers professional-grade charting with deep customization, advanced order flow tools, depth of market analysis, volume profiling, and tick-by-tick data. Traders can build, backtest, and automate strategies using NinjaScript, enabling fully customized algorithmic trading systems. Market Replay allows users to practice strategies using historical data as if markets were live, while advanced order types like bracket orders, trailing stops, ATM strategies, and one-click execution support fast decision-making in volatile environments. What truly distinguishes NinjaTrader is control. Traders can fine-tune layouts, indicators, execution logic, and risk parameters down to the smallest detail. Strategy optimization tools allow users to test variations across large data sets, helping identify what works and what doesn't before risking capital. That power, however, comes with trade-offs. NinjaTrader is not built for passive investors, retirement planning, or diversified portfolio management. There are no traditional stock or ETF investing features, no integrated banking, and no hands-off automation. The strengths are clear: precision, speed, transparent pricing, and scalability for serious futures traders. The weaknesses are just as clear: complexity, narrow asset focus, and limited appeal outside active trading. NinjaTrader is purpose-built for traders who want deep market access and granular execution control, not investors looking for simplicity or long-term portfolio growth. Firstrade Securities takes an almost opposite approach to pricing, focusing on simplicity, accessibility, and cost elimination, rather than professional trading tooling. Firstrade offers zero commission trading across stocks, ETFs, options, and mutual funds. There are no per-trade fees, no per-contract fees for options, and no exercise or assignment fees, which immediately positions Firstrade as one of the most cost-aggressive retail brokerages available. Mutual funds include both load and no-load options, with many funds offered without transaction fees. Fixed income products such as treasuries, agency bonds, and municipal bonds are offered on a net yield basis, while primary market CDs carry a flat fee. Firstrade also emphasizes low account friction. There are no annual IRA fees, no account maintenance fees, and no inactivity fees, Electronic statements, trade confirmations, tax documents, dividend reinvestment plans, and real-time quotes are all included at no additional cost. Margin trading is available with tiered margin rates that decrease as account balances increase, although margin costs remain higher than what professional futures traders would typically expect. Certain service fees exist, such as outgoing wire transfers, ACAT transfers out, and foreign security handling, but these are transactional rather than recurring. From a feature perspective, Firstrade is designed for long-term investors and cost-conscious traders rather than active professionals. It supports stocks, ETFs, options, mutual funds, bonds, and CDs within a single retail brokerage account. The platform includes mobile and web trading, basic charting, options chains, dividend reinvestment, periodic investment plans, and access to third-party research. While execution is reliable for retail use, advanced charting, automation, order flow tools, and professional analytics are intentionally limited. Firstrade's strengths are clear: zero commissions, zero options contract fees, no account fees, and strong accessibility for beginners and long-term investors. It works well for buy and hold investors, dividend investors, options traders focused on cost minimization, and users who want simplicity over complexity. The limitations are equally important. Firstrade lacks advanced trading tools, professional analytics, automation, and futures access, making it unsuitable for active traders who rely on execution precision and deep market data. Looking at third-party sentiment, NinjaTrader currently holds an exact Trustpilot rating of 3.5 out of 5 based on 986 reviews, with users commonly praising platform power, futures execution, and advanced tools, while noting complexity and learning curve challenges. Firstrade Securities holds a 1.9 out of 5 rating on Trustpilot based on 44 reviews. Feedback is mixed, with some users appreciating the zero-fee structure, while others report concerns around customer support responsiveness and account service issues. As always, Trustpilot ratings should be treated as directional indicators rather than definitive judgments, especially in financial services, where reviews often reflect isolated support experiences. Final takeaway: if your goal is active futures trading with advanced analytics, automation, and a commission structure designed to reward volume and precision, NinjaTrader is purpose-built for that role. If you want zero commission investing, no options contract fees, and a simple, low-cost brokerage for stocks, ETFs, options, and long-term portfolio building, Firstrade Securities is the more practical choice. The right platform depends entirely on whether you trade for execution performance or invest for cost efficiency and simplicity. If this comparison helped, hit like, subscribe for more honest trading platform breakdowns, and click the link below to access the platform that actually fits how you invest, trade, and grow your money long term.